If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know, say a kogency. But the kogency reacts channel. And today, we have Zone 2, Karma, Home, Halloween special up on GRM. Daily shot by J.M. You don't know. Real and truly, bro, I never heard any previews for this. I didn't see it. I didn't even know it was forwarding. I just saw it. I was like, Zone 2 Karma, Halloween special. This guy is like as rude and as grimy, as gory as Halloween can get. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's fuck with it, man. Let's see what it's saying, man. But yo, we just hit 2K, so thanks to everybody who subscribed. Road to 3K now, boys. We can't stop, man. We got to keep pushing, man. So road to 3K. I think we got like 2011 now. You know what I'm saying? So big up everybody who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Like and comment, because I reply to all the comments and I like all the comments as well. And if you also want to help the channel further, my CASHAPP will be in the description. So if you want to, CASHAPP and PayPal will be in the description. So if you want to help out the channel even further, you can do so. But don't know. I don't want to waste any time. Let's jump into it. Oh.
What the hell, man?
I know that was supposed to be scary because of the scream and the horror, but the sweet ones, man. You can't have scary scene with sweet ones, man. You know what I'm saying? The sweet one all bend down a while ago, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's too sweet, man. You can't scare me, bro. Or sis.
What the hell, man?
I like free luck on the beat, but trust me, I won't free luck on the street. Nothing ain't happened to me, cause I back that put it back in the brief. You know me, I'll do it for bro, no, I never left, but I'm back in the beef. Same way I'll slap him to wake up, it's the same way I'll slap him to sleep. Are you buzzing B? Class more G's, I'm buzzing B, Jello.
Are you buzzing B? Fam, nah, man, nah, nope, take it back.
I like free luck on the beat, but trust me, I won't free luck on the street. Nothing ain't happened to me, cause I back that put it back in the brief. You know me, I'll do it for bro, no, I never left, but I'm back in the beef. Same way I'll slap him to wake up, it's the same way
I'll slap him to sleep.
Are you buzzing B? Class more G's, I'm buzzing B. Gelato, gibalato, cocoa, chocolato.
I'm not going to comment on that, bro. His name has been mentioned for too long in UK drill for me to still be talking about him. I'm not saying his name. R.I.P. to that guy.
The same way I'll slap him to sleep.
Are you buzzing B?
Class more G's, I'm buzzing B. Gelato, gibalato, cocoa, chocolato, CC. But I just call her Chanel.
Call her Chanel, man. What them know about the Chanel, man? The Chanels. Listen, don't let me have to, you know what I'm saying? I'm drippy today, bro. Matter of fact, this is what I'm wearing the thing for the rest of the day, bro. Drippy. Chanel. Say that again about Chanel, man. These girls are very nice.
Cocoa, chocolate, OCC, but I just call her Chanel. My lato got a light skin like she. That's somebody's sister that I might cheat. That's somebody's sister that I might dig out. Tap that to your tap, then give out. Cause that's that key, run back like me. I got ling tryna ring like Neo. Hella man talking VR. They tryna steal my steer. Our guns beat like boom, pow. Their guns beat like pion. I can't smoke less than a zone.
What? Dog, this not only has flows and energy, but it has like humor. Comedy, not like on a joke thing, but you know what I'm saying. And the sweet ones, man. Yo, babes, your areola is literally showing, babes. I like that still. Yeah.
My lato got a light skin like she. That's somebody's sister that I might cheat. That's somebody's sister that I might dig out. Tap that to your tap, then give out. Cause that's that key, run back like me. I got ling tryna ring like Neo. Hella man talk.
I got ring tryna ring like me out. Dog, that's not only is that cool, but that's racist.
Give out, cause that's that key, run back like me. I got ling tryna ring like Neo. Hella man talking VR. They tryna steal my steer.
I see man talking VR. They tryna steal my steer. Nah, this is mad, fam.
Hella man talking
VR.
VR. They try to steal my skill. Our guns beat like boom, pow. Their guns beat like pew, pew. And I can't smoke less than
Remember the young days plugged in pew 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 pew. That means that Karma don't like how young days gun bust then.
beat like boom, pow. Their guns beat like pew, pew. And I can't smoke less than a 0.5. Cause I won't get fried. Could've saw death, I permitted his life, but I'm giving him life like isn't that can.
Wait. A 0.5. That's a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie, fam. Not really still. It depends on the strands. But he's smoking the fam. I was just about to say the name. He's smoking the dead guy. I'm not saying his name.
Cause I won't get fried. Could've saw death, I permitted his life, but I'm giving him life like isn't that can. I almost sat man in front of them cameras, shit them, bro said it isn't that time. Bro said it isn't that time. I'm from the home of the shavy. You don't wanna play me. I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Pay me, I'm no more pretty than a hole in your lady. Can't see cooking, I'll turn him to gravy. That's a whole of the daisies. I'm from the home of the shavy. You don't wanna play me. I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Play me, I know you're more pretty than a hole in your lady. Can't see cooking, I'll turn him to gravy. That's a whole of the daisies. I was in the jail, I was chain free. I was on basic, I was on basic daily. Crazy. Crazy, I didn't wanna see I ain't like Haley. No hot scope, no need for AC. Trust me, I'll take it to the max like Stacy.
Whoa, man. Too much. The sweet one doing all of that on the screen. CIA like Haley. What is that, bro? I thought CIA was some American police shit, fam. What? Oh my God, even she's twerking, man. Oh my God, sweet one. Put your areolas back in your shirt, babe. Come on, man.
I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Play me, I know you're more pretty than a hole in your lady. KFC cooking my turn to gravy. That's a whole of the daisies. I was in the jail, I was chain free. I was on basic, I was on basic daily. Crazy. Crazy, I didn't wanna see I ain't like Haley. No hot scope, no need for AC. Trust me, I'll take it to the max like Stacy. Skin got a big nose like Daisy. I don't wanna run a man down, I'm lazy.
What is going on? Like, I can't get past this. I actually can't, fam. I swear to you. I cannot get past this part, bro. Like, the way how the beat just build up to drop and Karma flow. Fam, everything is just going off right now, bro. I swear to you.
Basic, I was on basic daily. Crazy. Crazy, I didn't wanna see I ain't like Haley. No hot scope, no need for AC. Trust me, I'll take it to the max like Stacy. Skin got a big nose like Daisy. I don't wanna run a man down, I'm lazy. Third leg tip Tony, a lady. Tip Tony, a lady. Bro telling me I'm too crazy. Shit, he's telling me I'm real but crazy. He's telling me I'm real but crazy. Shit, then he's telling me I'm real but crazy. How can they be on weed when they ain't on piss? For the ops and they ain't no this, cause it's been for the ops and they know this. I name it inside my blade. Drip. I brand it, you got
Wait, did he say name this blade Drip?
know this. They know. I name it inside my blade. Drip. I brand it, you got a different designer blade. Cause it stays super dry like jackets. I'm from the home of the shaving. You don't wanna play me.
Hey, stay super dry like jackets, cause the jackets have to stay super dry for the wind. I like that still.
Stay super dry like jackets. I'm from the home of the shaving. You don't wanna.
Even the start of the chorus, Vietnam. Yeah, I like that stuff.
Different designer blade, cause it stays super dry like
Vietnam.
jackets. I'm from the home of the shaving. You don't wanna play me. I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Play me, I know you're more pussy than a hole in your lady. KFC cooking, I'll turn him to gravy.
I know you're more pussy than the hole in your lady. Jesus Christ, bro. Don't be that much of a pussy.
You don't wanna play me. I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Play me, I know you're more pussy than a hole in your lady. KFC cooking, I'll turn him to gravy. That's a whole of the daisies. I'm from the home of the shavy. You don't wanna play me. I'm from the home of the crazy. You're from the home of the gazy. Play me, I know you're more pussy than a hole in your lady. KFC cooking, I'll turn him to gravy. That's a whole of the daisies.
Hey. Bow. That's a hole in the gazies. Aye. I put a hole where your face be. I put a hole where. I don't want to say too much, man. You know, PC Anderson watching the them, man. Hey, listen, yeah. Well done. Zone 2 Karma with Home, Halloween special. This was a special, bro. This was special. Well fucking done, Karma. Whew, the hook, man. You see, this is what I need. Beat, hook, verses with flows and bars, bro. That's literally it. Just give me that, and I'm going to give you a song a 10 out of 10. And I'm saying so, but maybe let me know what you think about it in the comments, because maybe it don't deserve a 10 out of 10. Let me know. But for me, I can't see anything wrong with it. Even the video, bro, the sweet ones in the video. We even got areolas, bro. We got some areolas in the video, my guy. Sweet ones bending over and beer thing. Yeah, man, I like that, man. I love that. So let's clap it. Why? Don't clap it. Round of applause. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 3K now, because we hit 2K. So thanks everybody who subscribed. My Cash App and PayPal will be in the description. So if you want help and donate to the channel, let me know. Well, it will be in the description, so do it if you want to. Help out if you want to. You don't know. Kogency on the Kogency Reacts channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Best.
Yeah. Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.